cruising down the street on my Harley chopper when I accidentally swallowed a flying grasshopper. I tried to breathe and I choked and gasped. I lost control and I started to crash. Suddenly there was a tunnel of light. I thought to myself that I must have died. I followed the light to the pearly gates, and there I met St. Peter face to face. He say, don't you know where you're supposed to go? And then he pointed to the fires that were burning below. I started to beg, we say it's not too late, but Peter shook his head and he shut the gate and screamed through the bars as he walked away, screaming, please, please, Peter, I know I can change. To my heart's relief, Peter turned around and then he walked back to me as I knelt on the ground. He say, all right, son, how about you and I make a deal? And I thought that sounded weird because I thought you only made deals with the devil. But I'm not lying. Peter actually said this. He said, I can send you back to Earth, but you must promise me this. Oh yes, of course, Peter, whatever you wish. If I send you back to Earth, this is the promise you'll make. Yeah, you'll give up your bike and you'll start to bake. You say bake? But needless to say, I was confused. But I figured that baking on Earth was probably better than baking in hell, so I said yes. And as I did, something changed inside me. I woke up in the street as a newborn man. I didn't need my bike to be a frying pan. I thought to myself, what had I done with my life? Oh, living on the streets and getting in the fights. Well, I used to spend my days fighting gang rivalries, but now I spend my days baking pastries. Yeah, I got a second chance, I got a change of heart. I can give up the games for the culinary arts. Cause what's tougher than the art that you eat? There is none. Anyway, first thing was first, I needed to learn how to cook. Not just any easy bake oven or cookbook would do. You see, I needed a teacher to be the best in the land, but Emerald turned me down, so I stabbed him, bam. Not one Iron Chef would even call me back, but I bet they wish they had when I timed to the train tracks. But then I remembered someone from 2005 who I met in the Slammer doing some time. Yeah, perhaps they might just be the teacher I need, so I called up Martha Stewart for a lesson. Some convincing, but eventually she said yes. And she took me on as her protege, and for 4 long years, from sunup to sundown, she teach me to cook. Until I became the greatest Viking chef the world had ever seen. Now granted, there aren't quite a lot of those, but still, it's a good thing. And despite all my training, people turned me away. They wouldn't even let me be on Rachel Ray. They say, you can't cook, now just go back to your gang. I couldn't change their mind with my lemon meringue. Well, I know I use a switchblade to slice my sprouts. Well, I cleaned off Emerald's blood so you can quit freaking out. But if you don't believe me that I've truly changed, well, the tattoos on my knuckles say, love to bake. Yeah, do you want a piece of this? Do you want a piece of this? Do you want a piece of this cake? Oh, it's really quite delicious, yeah. Do you want a piece of this? Do you want a piece of this? Do you want a piece of this pumpernickel bread? Oh, it's really quite nutritious, yeah. Well, I tried some other things. Tried to open a 5-star restaurant attached to the truck stop. Wasn't successful. Tried to open a candy shop next to the liquor store. Didn't do my market research. It was stressful. Tried to open a bakery and a bar, and they laughed at me. It was hurtful. But it was at that moment I knew just what I needed to do. A revelation. Because I was faithful. So I started a gang of men who loved to bake. We weren't the Hells Angels, we were called the Cupcakes. We spent our nights out roaming the streets, throwing hungry people rice, crispy treats, feeding the poor and helping those in need. That's right, St. Peter, I'm doing my good deed. I'll never forget that day in heaven above. Oh, I know it was real, but then again I could have been on drugs. Thank you.